Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chelsea, and if you're new around here, we like to do beauty related content on this channel. Now, I've spent a month off of YouTube because I've just moved house. We've got a bit of a different setup. This isn't set in stone, by the way, but today's video is going to be organising my makeup because I've got new storage. Excuse all the mess. But yeah, we've got those storage there. So we're going to fill all that up today. And yeah, then this room is basically underway. I'm just going to get everything out of my Alex drawers because that's where I'm storing my makeup at the moment. And I've also got new newer panel lights as well, which is so good because I can control it on my phone. That's all the way up. We've got golden hour, cool toned. We've got colours. Like, I've only got one on at the moment, so for this video I'm only going to use one. We've got a candlelight glow. So I've only got one up for now, just for this video, but I have actually got two, so I'm going to up my YouTube setup. But yeah, this video is just going to be organising my makeup. I've got loads of new makeup to play around with and to review. I've also got some PR from R2 Cosmetics, which I'm going to upload a video on next. Yeah, but I just really need to get this makeup room organised because then it's going to be so much easier to then do all my videos and play with my makeup and stuff like that. I've not actually played with makeup for over a month because we've been sorting the house out, which I will upload like a house vlog because when we got this house, it was not what we thought it would be. So we've redecorated the whole place and it's completely different now. We're just waiting for new kitchen flooring to be put in and then it'll be basically done, other than like the few finishing touches like putting up prints and curtains and stuff like that. But yeah, so we're gonna have a little bit of a time lapse, so make sure you grab your snacks, grab a drink, because this is going to be a long video. I don't have a clue how I'm going to organise it yet, so I'm just going to wing it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up and let me know down below if there's anything in particular that you want me to film. And yeah, enjoy the video. Right, so I'll give you a little room tour so far. This is going to be really awkward to do. Wait there. There's the door. I've got this on the tripod so it's a bit hard, but there's my new carpet, as you can see, and my new LED panel light. So this all is my dressing table, same as before. Those two baskets are actually new makeup items that I've been collecting, so there's a few hauls in there. I'm going to get my mirror pot up there with the LED panel lights like what I had before. We've got my Alex drawer, which I'm going to put all the skincare in. I just got some prints there, and then we've got the day bed, you know, the famous one from IKEA, which has just got a load of stuff on it at the moment, just whilst I organise. And then the window, I need to put the curtains back up, the good old fluffy lampshade, and then that'll be my makeup storage, and then my wardrobe, which I am going to get doors for. So yeah, that is it so far. So I did actually buy these trays from Amazon, so they come in parts, so they're like little compartments like that. Also got this, which I'm thinking of putting all my pigments and that in, and then the other ones putting all my lipsticks in or something like that, so then they're all laid flat rather than just all chucked into a drawer, because then I never actually use them all. And then I've also got these like dividers as well from Amazon. Yeah, I don't know how I'm going to do it yet. So just going over a quick run through now that everything's finished. So we've got lips all in these drawers, and then I've literally got a bit of space there as well for some more. My P. Louise extra thing that I got from the budget box, which if you want me to do a video unboxing that and playing around with it, then please do let me know. If not, I might just do a TikTok. And there's nothing in it apart from perfume samples, but I do love this to your little bag. And then we've got my foundations in that. So this has got foundations, then we've got primers and setting sprays, just a few more primers here, and then we've got concealers and freckle tints. So that's all that there, and look at all that space at the back, which I absolutely love. And then the next drawer we've got powders and cream blushes, bronzers, normal blushes, highlighters there, a few face palettes, a few liquidy and cream things there. And again, just so much space at the back, although I'm a little bit worried that this drawer is going to give way. But yeah. And then the next drawer, look how satisfying that looks. But we have eyeshadow bases and paints and liquid eyeshadows in single pot, like my Super Shock shadows. Pigments at the back, some spare paints, some lashes. And that's just that there. So lashes, like pencils and mascaras, and just some more lashes there. The figures, yep. And then at the back we've got brow stuff and glitters. And then we've got small palettes all along here, just a few Colourpop ones, some Jeffree Star ones, P. Louise Pro face palettes, and some more face palettes there. Then we've got a lot more eyeshadow palettes, so we've got all my ABH ones, Norvina ones, my Beauty Bay ones there, some Revolution there. Keeps unfocusing when I'm pointing. And then in the corner there we've got the Be Perfect ones and just my Colour Drain ones. And then the last drawer of palettes again, so we've got all my big P. Louise ones, my Morphe ones, a P. Louise Pro and the Lorac Pro Chapter 2 book, my Made by Mitchell ones, and my Jeffree Star ones at the back there. And then yeah, that's it. I'm looking very shiny because this has actually taken me 3 hours, but we are finally finished, and yeah, I feel so much better now because now I feel like I can actually see everything in my collection and use everything as well, and it makes it easier to do videos and stuff like that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you got to the end, well done at you, and again, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Let me know down below if you like organisation videos, and if you want some more collection videos and things like that, then I'll definitely get that up for you. But in the meantime, hope you have a lovely rest of your day, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!